Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal in the microwave. First, select your preferred oats. Either old-fashioned or quick-cooking varieties work best. Next, grab a microwave-safe bowl that's large enough to prevent any messy boilovers. Remember, a good rule of thumb is to use a 2-to-1 ratio of liquid to oats. For example, 1 cup of water or milk for every half cup of oats. This ensures a creamy, delicious breakfast every time. Once your oats and liquid are combined in the bowl, place it in the microwave. Cook on high for 1 to 2 minutes, but keep a close eye on it to prevent boiling over. Cooking times can vary based on your microwave's wattage and the type of oats you're using. After cooking, carefully remove the hot bowl, give your oatmeal a good stir, and let it rest for about 1 minute to thicken perfectly. Now for the fun part, customizing your oatmeal. You can add fresh or frozen fruits like berries or sliced bananas for a natural sweetness boost. For a richer taste, stir in a spoonful of honey, maple syrup, or brown sugar. Don't forget spices like cinnamon, a sprinkle of chopped nuts, or even a dash of vanilla extract to elevate your breakfast experience. The possibilities are endless for a truly personalized bowl. Safety first. Always use oven mitts or a kitchen towel when removing your hot oatmeal bowl from the microwave to avoid burns. For easy cleanup, wipe down any splatters in your microwave right away before they dry and become harder to remove. A clean microwave makes future cooking much more pleasant. And hey, while you're making things fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.